it's Laura at Vegan RV, and there's Kevin.
I'm on my phone!
Yep, what else is new?
Not friends.
We found something new at the grocery store that we hadn't seen before. Morningstar Farms has been coming out with new vegan products. I think, are they moving to everything vegan? I don't know, but these are vegan burgers with vegan cheese inside. So we're pretty excited to check that out.
It even says vegan.
It does, on the front and the back. Let's have a look at these things cooking. Here they are. I already gave them a flip, so you can see the little cheese bits in there. And they smell kind of like the Boca burgers, if that gives you any idea. That's how you know we're vegan. Yeah,
you guys think Laura does all the cooking?
Yeah,
look at all this prep work I'm doing on my own plate.
Yeah. So we're gonna have sweet potatoes and a side of kale with our burgers.
Kale, yeah.
You ready to eat?
Can we eat now? Finally. So Laura's been making these kale greens with garlic and extra nutritional yeast.
Yep.
And they're tasting super delicious lately. But I'm not going to mess with my palate. We can go
straight to the burger.
Straight in. In fact, I'm probably just going to try the burger without all the shit on it. I mean, stuff. That's delicious. Like, the outside looked dry.
Uh-huh. That's actually...
But it's, like, crazy juicy. I don't know if I got any of the, like, cheese or whatever.
That bite, yeah.
But it's really good. Like,
awesome.
That's jamming.
Yay.
But I don't know, like, do you remember how much these were?
Maybe $4, $3.
I think it was more than that.
Yeah, we bought it at a place that wouldn't be cheap.
Yeah. So we don't know the true cost of it. We'll have to go look it up.
Yeah,
Laura's going to put it on the screen right here. Making you do work, post-processing.
It's only 2 burgers in the packet.
There's only 2 burgers, and the calories are way more than like the Boca burger. Like, this is 280 calories for one of these burgers, where like a Boca burger I think is 70. Yeah,
but a Boca burger is a lot smaller.
It's a lot smaller. It's a lot drier.
And it doesn't have the cheese.
Doesn't have the cheese in it.
So these are sometimes burgers.
Yeah. Don't look at the sodium. But there's 23 grams of protein in the burger. So, anyway.
It's got its pluses and minuses.
Everybody wants to watch you eat. Whoops.
What happened?
I don't know. Laura.
I put greens on mine. I have ketchup and mustard.
Are you going to try it plain first?
No. I'm just going to go for it. There's not a lot of stuff going on in there.
30 minutes later.
It's good. It doesn't have as strong of a meaty flavor as some do. I think I got some of the cheese, but I couldn't really discern it from whatever else is going on in there. The texture's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's nice and crisp on the outside and it's kind of soft on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's a pretty good burger. I don't know if it's like, if it's premium price, I'm not sure it's really worth that. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what else to say about it. It's a veggie burger. You're just gonna keep filming until I shut up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, the more that I think about it, like, if you took, like, the calories were, there were a lot of calories, right? Mm-hmm. Compared to the other burgers. But with this having cheese in it, if we took a like a Boca burger and put cheese on it, it's gonna add to the calories. So,
sure.
I guess I didn't think about that part.
Yeah, no, I thought about that. That's what I was saying earlier about how the cheese is already inside. Because I think a cheese slice is probably 100 calories.
Yeah.
Ish. So, it's still more calories because it's got more fat in the actual burger part.
The more I eat this, I just took a big ass bite.
Yep. An ass bite?
It's delicious. Like, it's really chewy. It's soft. It's got that, like, crisp outside to it. Definitely, like, I'm nostalgic about the Boca burgers and stuff like that.
Yep.
And I like a Gardein burger, but to me, this is more like, because the Gardein still has that soy protein rigidness to it, where I feel like this is a lot more smooth and it just pulls apart like I feel like a hamburger used to, I guess.
Keep in mind that neither one of us have had a burger in, what, 20 years or something.
So, anyway, I like it. It's really good.
Yep. Awesome.
I'm liking it more the more I eat it.
So, 2 thumbs up.
Buy it.